I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to unlock your eBay store after a review, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Start by logging into your eBay account using your username and password. This is essential to access your store settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the My eBay drop-down menu and select Account. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your store. Step 3. Check notifications. Look for any notifications regarding your store status. eBay often sends messages about reviews or actions needed to unlock your store. Step 4. Follow the review instructions. If there are specific instructions from eBay regarding the review, make sure to follow them carefully. This may involve providing additional information or resolving issues. Step 5. Contact eBay support if needed. If your store remains locked after following the instructions, reach out to eBay customer support for assistance. They can provide more details on why your store is still locked. Sometimes, the review process can take longer than expected, so be patient. If you have any questions, feel free to ask eBay support for clarity. Good luck getting your store back up and running.